Hey guys, welcome back to another video. My name is the Green Guy, and today we'll be continuing Outlast. So last time we made it into this building and we got thrown off by a giant guy. And we're stepping on the body. Anyways, I also realized actually last video, the audio was kind of off, so I didn't really know how to fix that. But yeah, I just wanted to apologize for that, and hopefully this time doesn't happen again. But yeah, anyways, let's see what we can find. Ooh, it's an elevator. Can I? What the hell? Is that a dead body? I don't know what that was. Let's see if we can go down here. No, okay, that's locked. That's in here. Oh, Jesus Christ. Oh my God. Alright, what is in here? Alright. Oh, okay, witness. So this guy is a witness. I don't know why he is, but yeah. Alright. Just gonna record some of this. What's in here? Someone got their head blown off. Jesus Christ. Ooh, battery. Oh God, okay. I'm gonna get the hell out of here. Is this door safe? It's all good. Alright. What is in here? Door needs a key card. Okay, that's good to know. Anything special in here? Not really. Ooh, it's a note. I'm gonna read this note really quick. From Helen Grant to yeah, I'm not gonna read that. Dear sirs, the full report pending on no immediate action is required on the part of Murkoff Corp. The profit potential of Project Wallrider remains staggeringly high. 4 fatalities contain enough ambitious data of make any litigation of evidence is correctly managed and possible. Project Wallrider remains a dangerous in. Oh my God! Sorry about my reading. It's just kind of hard for me to when I read out loud. Initiative and where will almost certainly be further casualties. As with the others, patience is so low as to make any chance of legal actions vanishingly unlikely. Violence among patients is increasing as the morphogenic engine therapy gets closer to producing working models. But a combination of physical and chemical restraints has proven sufficient effect to assure control and profit. Respectfully, Helen Grant, Markov Legal Mitigation Department. Okay. Anyways, what do we have here? It's in here. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. Same room. Yeah. Ways. What's in here? That looks like it's closed.
Why should we have to pay for it? Why do we have to die? Walker will kill us just for being sick. We're some people. We didn't choose this.
No, you did not. Okay, so there's nothing really in this room. Can we go in here? No, we can't. Okay. How about could we? Oh no, it's blocked off. So is there and oh, hello. What's this? Oh, I thought that was something. Anything in here? Like a battery or something? Okay, hi there. How you doing? Can I? Nothing in here. What was that? Did I just do something? Oh no, it was nothing. What is this? Ooh, no. Okay. Okay. Murkoff Psychiatric Systems, Project Wallrider, Mount Massive Co. Case number 136. Patient initials CLW Walker. Consultation dated 2013. May the 28th. Initial date of patient consult 2011. 2011. The first of January. January the 28th. Patient age 32. Gender male. Observing sufficient. Dr. Rudolph Wernicke. Okay. Notation by Dr. Walsh. Therapy status. Morphogenic activity. Plateed at roughly at 2000 p.m. You know, I'm actually not gonna read this. Just continue with the game. What is in here? Nothing. Anything over here? Okay. Are you alive or dead? Your head's moving. Okay. Jesus Christ. Oh God. Oh my God, that scared me. Oh God. Got some toilet paper. Anything wrong with you? You okay, buddy? What happened to your teeth? Anyways, let's go in here. Oh God, there's someone. There's people. Let's check the notes. No, that's not what I wanted. Inside. Oh wait, I didn't read this. Okay, whatever. Crowd book of men watching a dead channel. They look like patients. They survive whatever happened here, but nobody's home. Okay, wait. Hello, how you doing? You're just gonna sit there? Oh boy. Something bad happened to you. Especially you. Oh God. Anyways, I'm gonna get the hell out of here. Excuse me. Oh God. Okay. I don't like that noise. Oh God, kind of sounds like, I don't know how to explain it, but what is it here? What's this? Oh, picked up a key card. Oh, okay, cool. Anyway, let's go in here. It's not optional, is it? No, it's not. Okay. Are you gonna do anything? How you doing, buddy? Are you just gonna sit there or stand there? Something. What happened to your foot? Oh God. Alright, I don't know what happened to you. But I'm just gonna keep on going. Oh God.
Get them out!
I ain't gonna help you. I'm getting the hell out of here. Screw you. Oh God. That's a nice carpet. What happened to this guy? Oh, okay, that's a dead man. Okay. That's the door leads to the office. Now I got the key card. We can actually insert it. Can actually put it in here. I can find that key card. Or can I just... Oh, wait. Okay. Anyone inside? Nope. Doesn't look like it. What do we got here? You can hide. Oh, okay, cool. We can hide in here. What do we have in here? What is this? Am I supposed to... Oh, okay. Supposed to click the keyboard. Accessing security. What? Oh god. What are you gonna do? Uh-oh. Yeah. Restart the generator. Hide in the locker. Don't try to fight. Oh god, no. Hide, 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 hide. That thing's coming. Oh god. No, thank you. Oh god, he sees me, doesn't he? I'm not in here. I'm not in here. Okay, good. He's gone. Am I good? Read the note really quick. Big fucking guy. The big fucking guy is stalking me. Found a patient file for a Chris Walker, ex-military police. Several tours in Afghanistan. A lot of blood in this place is on his hands, but not all of it. Am I good? I'm good. They lie. Who would lie? I'm turning this off. I don't want to use battery. Okay, so we have to go down the basement and restore the power, which I believe we have to go down here. Yeah, we gotta go down there. Okay. Oh, it's dark. Of course it'll be dark. I wouldn't it be dark in here? What is in here? Oh no. I'm not gonna read it. Oh Jesus Christ. Oh god.
Who's there?
No one's here. What is this? Turn on gas pump. Main breaker to restart the generator. Wait. Hold on. Turn on the 2 gas pumps. Main breaker to restart the generator. Okay. That's our objective, right? Can we go in here? Ooh, a battery. Take that. Oh, we hit this thing. Oh god. So is someone coming? Someone's coming, I think. Oh god. Is that the big guy again? Aren't I glad that Oh god. This can't be good. Oh god, he's right there. Oh god, he's shaking the lockers, is he? No, no, don't go to this one. Is he gone or not? I can't tell. Oh god. He's right there. Oh god, almost out of night vision. Oh god. Okay. Oh god. Okay. I don't really know what I'm supposed to do, because, like... Am I supposed to go on to the next room? I guess so. Is he coming? I'm really low on battery. On my battery. Guess just keep on going. Right? Oh, here's the next one. I think he's gonna come. Let's not use all of our battery. Oh, he's right there. Oh god. That guy's huge. Now where do I have to go? Ooh, battery. Oh, I can hear it coming. Oh, I can hear it coming. So let's hide in here. He's in here. I saw him. I swear I saw him. Okay, alright. Can't tell if he's around or not. Oh god, dead body. already lost battery that quick? Oh god. Another battery, okay. Well, I think we end it here. So thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys later.